Want me to tell you a secret? I'm a fan of Minnie Mouse. Yes, as in the Disney character. And no, I don't mean like a fan. I mean a really, 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 really big fan. Really big fan. I may like her. So now with that secret out of the way, welcome to another edition of Minecraft Monday. I'm your host, of course, Kenneth Althorpe. So, not a lot of you have been asking me about my Wrinkle in Time map because I just kind of stopped doing that. Well, I was on a trip, and I was on doing creativity on the road. You can find that video somewhere in my playlists. But today we are going to be doing Wrinkle in Time stuff, so I'm going to record it. So I hope you enjoy because I'm going to be quiet most of the time. This is how I work on stuff. So if you're wondering how it is right now, this is the post office where Meg Murray hears about Mrs. Buncombe's bed sheets. And currently I can't see anything, so I'm going to add effect. Okay, Apthorpe 169999. Go. Infinity amount of night vision now. So what comes first? Obviously the chicken. Ha! So we're going to do say post office clerk, and the C is capitalized too. Space, colon, space. Oh, good morning. Mr. Barncombe. Your patrols today. Alright, say Oh wait, I just realized something. This is not going to work. Because watch, it's going to be multiple instances of text now. Alright guys, thank you for watching 30 minutes of complete silence. I doubt that you'll like this video, so just dislike it. Dislike this video. Please, I'm begging you, please dislike this video. Amen. Alright, now what I'm going to do is mark the coordinates of this post office, because as long as the sign's still there, there is concern about where we need to go. So, where is this thing starting? Oh my, that was close, wasn't it? Right about here. Of course, we start up from this direction. Think. How can we see the post office and then look at the same time? Perhaps if we started right here and go to the post office first. So here's the basic idea of what I have so far. Basically, we have a bus that's heading in the backwards position, so all I have to do is switch buses. And there are buses on opposite sides, so all I have to do is put a bus that's on the front and not on the back, if that makes any sense at all. All I have to do is really switch positions of the bus, so that won't be a problem, because there's so many buses there, and you have to come up to the one that you have to find first. So a little bit of a parkour, but you know, it's part of the adventure map. You're gonna have to find your way through some places first. Anyway, that's the idea. Alright, the current coordinates to the post office, the way I want to set it up is negative 315.5, y 53, z or z 410. And it is heading south, so I don't want a bus heading north, I want a bus heading south. So that's something to remember. Remember that, YouTubers, and I'll ask you about that later. So here are the buses. I'm going to destroy that command block to tell you to go home. And we're just going to change buses. We're just going to flip the bus. We're going to destroy the board first. And it is a wooden board, but who really cares about the wooden board? Well, actually I do, but I'm saying who cares about it. So all I have to do really is flip the buses. Now, which one do I want? I want the third one. This one. Right around... Actually, I don't know which one it is. So I'm going to... yeah, I'm just going to have to destroy some stuff. Sorry. And then put it right there. And TP at P. Remember? Do you remember what the coordinates are? Good. Thankfully, the coordinates are right here. Now that that's working correctly, we can now get rid of this one because it's kind of obvious where you need to go now. Alright, so now we need to go back to school, and we need to change coordinates on one thing. We need to change one objective because it says to go straight home on the objective. But I don't want you to go straight home. I want you to go straight to the post office. So I need to change the objective on that. Man, I put so much detail in this map. Emerald Sun versus Red Devil. See, that is detail you cannot get anywhere else. Two totally made up football names, and yet I'm the one who created them. I do apologize for the lack of attention, though I need to change the coordinates, and I think I've done that. Go to a parking lot where you have to go to the post office. That's the new objective now. Phew. Okay. We've been going at this for a long time. I've been there like an hour or so. Are you guys getting bored? Because I would. If I was watching this video myself, I would get bored easily. So I need to come up with more interesting videos to create, I guess. So I'm going to stop the video here. If you want to keep seeing these videos, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more in the future, subscribe, of course. And yeah, that's it. So this is Kenneth Apthorpe, wishing you and your household peace. I'll see ya.